congratulations for doing something to address that. You want to lose a couple 10 pounds, you want to kind of repurpose what's going on with your body. One of the challenges most people face, and it hits women very differently than men,
right, is
that we have this ideal of how we're supposed to look. And there's many things working against us. Food supply is one part of it, and let's talk about what's nutrient, what's non-nutrient.
Right.
Exercise, lack of sleep. You cannot out-exercise or out-diet lack of sleep, period.
Right.
You can do all you want. If you're a teenager, you can get away with it for a while. But at some point, as we get older, lack of sleep is your foundation.
Right.
So you cannot out-exercise it or out-diet it. Again, you then can't out-diet improper exercise, right? So calorie in, calorie out has pretty much been debunked. However, there are ways to utilize it in very specific forms, but it has to be tied to what's called macronutrient content. So that's your proteins, your fats, your building blocks, and your carbs. And what you need depends on what you're doing and what your age is.
Okay.